Hello students, today we are going to read the poem Beauty. The poem has been written by E. Yashwar. Beauty. What is beauty? Beauty क्या होती है? सुंदरता. ओके ब्यूटी हमारी आंखों में होती है. जो भी हम सोचते हैं, जब हमें वो चीज़ अच्छी लगती है तो ही ब्यूटीफुल होती है. Try to describe what beauty is or list some of the things or persons you think are beautiful. Now let us read a poem on beauty. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. Here the poem says that we can see the beauty in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and the people working or dancing for their harvest. It is the first stanza of the poem, and the poet explains that we can see beauty around us. Everything around us is beautiful. The sunlight, the trees, the birds, the corn growing in the fields, people working in the field, and they are dancing for their harvest. It means that we see in the fields, in the farms, the birds, the trees, they are beautiful. Everything around us is beautiful. The second stanza. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in the earnest. In the second stanza, the poet explains that night is also beautiful. That we can feel the beauty by hearing the wind that is sighing, that is blowing gently. The rain is falling. The noise of the rain, that is very much. That is not noise. Sorry, that is the music of the rain is pleasing us. That is too very beautiful, and we are feeling entertainment with the raindrops falling on the roofs, or a singer chanting. जब भी कोई गायक गाता है, कोई chant, कोई music, कोई rhyme गाता है, तो that's very beautiful. The third stanza. Beautiful is in yourself. That beauty lies in us also. Everything within us is beautiful. The work we do purely is beautiful. Good deeds. जो भी हम काम करते हैं, अच्छे काम, happy thoughts, जो भी हम सोचते हैं, जो हमारे विचार, जो good thoughts, that are very beautiful. That repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Even when we rest, when we dreams, the things that are going very beautiful. The poet wants to show that we can feel beauty. All the small things we do or the environment around us is beautiful. Okay, students, here is the summary of the poem. The poem Beauty is written by E. Yashwar. In this poem, the poet is trying to say that beauty is everything. सर्वव्यापक है सुंदरता. हर किसी जगह, हर किसी स्थान पर हम सुंदरता को फील कर सकते हैं. All the small things we do or the environment around us is beautiful. The poem has 3 stanzas, and each talks about the beautiful things that could be seen, heard, and felt through the heart. We can feel the beauty also through heart. We can see, not only see, but we can hear and feel the beauty. Okay, students. The first stanza talks about the beautiful things that could be seen. In the first stanza, we can see beautiful things in a daytime, such as the trees, the birds, the people working in the fields, or them dancing for the harvest. The second stanza talks about the wonderful things that could be heard through the night, such as wind sighing, rain falling, or an earnest song by a singer. We can hear beauty. We can hear music that is very beautiful. The third stanza talks about how the beauty is inside us. Doing work and thinking good, dreaming and resting will make us happy. Thus, the poem describes how beauty is present around us and within us. Thank you. Have a nice day. Dear students, please write the summary in your notebook and make notes properly. Thank you. Have a nice day again.